So good day, students. Is there any of us here who find it difficult to graph polynomial functions because of online class? Or do you want to check your output to see if your graphing is correct? Well, I have a solution for that. So this video will teach you how to use a Desmos graphing calculator. Our topic for today is in Mathematics Grade 10, the fourth quarter. And my chosen learning competences is graphs, polynomial functions. We'll be using the Desmos the graphing calculator. So let's us define first. It offers best-in-class calculators, digital math activities, and curriculum to help every student love math and love learning math. It is also a free online graphing calculator and a user-friendly. So later, we'll graph these two polynomial functions in standard form and in factor form. In opening the Desmos, let us type Desmos graphing calculator in the search button. Okay, Desmos graphing calculator, and then enter and click this one graphing calculator. Before we start, I will first teach all students how to use the different buttons or what are the functions and that you can find in Business application and what their purposes are. So here in this button, the open graph, you can change your name or rename it. Uh, but before that, we need to sign up here. In external account, you have to agree in this button and sign up with the Google. I will sign up my institutional email here. So let us rename this graph. We will say polynomial function. Okay, save. Then here you can see, or all of you can see your saved graph or your recent graphs. The example graph that you can write in here is the lines, parabolas, trigonometric, conic section, and such. Okay, let's exit. And then here in the graph settings, you can change it displays. If you don't want, or it's up to you if you want to put grid in this side or you don't want it, so just uncheck this box, or you can change removing the x numbers or removing the minor grid lines. There is also a boundaries of your x-axis and y-axis, and you can change its viewpoint into radian or in degree mode. In this button, plus and minus, the zoom in or zoom out, or you can use your control pad. In this plus sign, you can add item or more item of your polynomial function or the polynomial function that you want to graph. In adding item, you can have the function, note, table, folder, or images. Example, you're writing a polynomial here in the number one, and you want to add another polynomial, so you're putting two, and if you're adding more, it's up to you. If you want to show your whole or the full screen of your graph, you can hide expression list or click this button, and if you want to type, it's up to you also. If you can remove this item or the polynomial function clicking this x button, or if it consumes most of your time, you can click this edit list and click delete all, and that's it. Um, Also, if you're not comfortable using your keyboard in your laptop, since I am using my laptop this video, you can click this show keypad, and here you can write what functions you want, the x and y if the given of your polynomial function is not have or not or the variable is not x and y, you can change it and click to this bottom ABC, and then and again and go back to 1 2 3. This bottom is the bottom is the function where you can see the different trigonometric function. If you want to graph this, this is moving in or move back. This is the delete button and the enter button. So that's it for its functions and its purpose. So let's go back to the functions that we would need to graph. First is y equals to 4x cubed plus 3x, uh, 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. So let's type it into our first uh, item. Y, this time I will only use my keyboard. Y equals 3, wait, sorry, 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. You can see the red line or the red graph. In knowing its point, you will just click its intersection here. So we can see that there are two intersection or two points. One is the negative 0.61 and 0, and the second one is negative is 0 and positive 1. So let's have the another example. Y is equals to x plus 3 times x plus 2 or x plus 1. It is the factor form. It is okay if you have this kind of form because you can also write it in a Desmos calculator using that form. So it's up to you if you want to delete the first graph or you want to add for you to show or to compare these two graphs. So we will write the second polynomial function y equals to x plus 3 times x plus 2 times x plus 1. Then click the enter button of your keyboard. And here you can see the blue line. Okay, let's see the full graph. In our line, this is its graph. To see its point, just click the intersections of your x and y axis. Here you can see the points. You can check your points to see that you papunta ka na sa tamang graphing. So the first point is negative 3 and 0. Second is negative 2.58 and 0.38. And the third is negative 2 and 0. And the fourth one is negative 1.42 and negative 0.39. And the last one is negative 1 or 0. So that's it. It is that's very simple to see the comparison of the two polynomial function. Also, you can check your points if you solve in your notes, if you see that the points you got is the same to this graph, meaning you got the correct answer. So let's go back to show list to also you can share your graph to anyone. Just click this button share graph and copy the link and then paste it to where you want using the email or your messenger and such. And if you want to delete it all, so just click and again the edit list and delete all. So you can also put undo and redo if you miss something that you want to undo what you write or what you already done. So just click the undo list. And that's it. I hope you learned something from today's video. By the way, I am Naupuline T. Mondigo, and let's enjoy learning. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.